Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm by name Eucharia, and if it's your first time seeing this beautiful face, please don't make it your last. So go ahead and hit on the subscribe button. Join this wonderful family. We do have good time here on this channel, guys. So guys, today I'll be talking about 10 guides to keeping your relationship working. 10 things you need to do to keep your relationship in good shape and healthy. So if you want to know this, keep watching.
Oh,
So the first thing you must do to keep your relationship working is you must love each other. Like, yes, love is just a feeling you feel, but the ability to express your feeling in action is very important to your partner and in the relationship because you feel that feeling, that excitement, that butterflies in the belly, but being able to express it, telling your partner, saying it in words and in action, will only make your partner see and know that you love them. And when you fail to express it in action and just in words, they will doubt if you truly love them. So being able to express it in your actions and in your words is very important in the relationship and to your spouse. It makes the relationship more strong and it makes it work. So the second thing to keep your relationship working is being royal. Being royal means being faithful, being committed, being honest, being trustworthy, being dedicated in that relationship. Like when you're royal, you appreciate, you value, you respect your partner because you truly love them, you care for them, and you are committed to making the relationship work because you know that the relationship is not always about you, it's about you, your partner, and that relationship. You will do anything in your capability, in your ability. You will make sacrifices to make it work, and this entails being loyal. Third thing to keeping your relationship working is communication. Communicate with your partner the right way. Don't just assume. Communication is the key to every healthy relationship. So you must communicate with your partner. It's not just about the method, but it's about the understanding. Communicating with them, talking to them to see points, opinions. Where there is good communication lies a greater understanding. So you should try as much as you can in the relationship to keep the communication moving. One thing to keeping your relationship working is having the spirit of forgiveness. You must forgive. Learn to forgive your partner when they wrong you. Because we are all humans. Nobody is perfect. No relationship is perfect. And no human is perfect. So we should know that there will be times of wrongings, there will be times of misunderstandings, but you must try as much as you can to forgive them, in as much as they apologize to you. Once they admit that they are wrong and ask for forgiveness, you should forgive them. Don't hold their past mistakes on them, reminding them that they have wronged you so many times. No, it will only destroy the relationship and make the relationship hard on the both of you. Leave the past in the past and then focus on the brighter, better future and present. The fifth thing to keeping your relationship working is you must let go of your pride and ego. Honestly, this really destroys the relationship a lot because people are always proud and have that ego. They believe they are never wrong. But you must be able to leave it because this we're talking about a healthy relationship and this ego and pride it is a no in this relationship. So let go of your pride and ego to make the relationship work. Don't be a partner that you always see fault in your partner. Even when you're doing wrong, you fail to admit to your mistakes. You feel you're always right. You feel that you want to have a take in every argument you make. You both have, which is wrong because we all have our shortcomings. There are moments of failures, there are moments of trial, but we should try as much as we can not to let our pride and our ego ruin the relationship. The sixth thing to keeping your relationship working is never bring up your ex or talk about your ex in the relationship. or to compare your ex with your boyfriend or your partner. It is wrong because everybody are made uniquely different. You don't expect your boyfriend to be exactly like your ex or to be better, like in the sense that do these things that your ex did for you. We're all different and we love uniquely differently. So don't talk about your ex and don't castigate your boyfriend using your ex against him. Like your ex is meant to be in the past and not being brought in the present. We're all different. Don't bring comparison because comparison is really bad in a relationship. Mostly when you're comparing them with your ex, it's will only ruin the relationship. The eighth thing to keep your relationship working is never say it is okay when it is not okay. This is very important because it happens more often that you know that you felt bad, you're not okay with something, and then you say you're okay. This will only lead to a prolonged conflict between the both of you. If you feel that something is not okay, you feel displeased about something, then talk to your partner, communicate with them, tell them what you feel, and only then can you both compromise and make it work. It's all about you and him, your partner. So try to talk to them. Never just say it is okay for peace to reign when it is not okay. Speak out. Let them know. Only then can you resolve that conflict or that misunderstanding. The ninth thing to keeping your relationship working is you must consider each other's feeling. Considering each other's feeling. Like it's not always about you, as I said earlier. You should be able to put yourself in their shoes and know how they will feel before you do something. You should consider them, know how they will feel. If you're doing something that makes you happy, but you know that it will make your partner not to be happy about it, then be considerate. Think of how they will feel because if it was them, then they would be considerate of you. So consider their feelings. Feelings are something that are easily hurt and broken. Like when somebody hurts you, it makes you it reduces the love you have for that person. Mostly when you feel that the person does it intentionally to hurt you. So try as much as you can to consider their feelings because feelings are very important and should be considered and should be kept in mind when doing something in the relationship. The tenth thing to keeping your relationship working is oh, be most concerned in making the relationship work. Like some people are in a relationship but they don't even care if the relationship will work or will not work. They're just like it's not a decision to make. Honestly, for relationship to work, it requires the two party working and doing everything possible to make and to see the relationship move and work. So try as much as you can. Lay your concern on making the relationship to work. Because when you are concerned in making the relationship work or seeing the relationship work, you will do everything in your power to make and to keep the relationship moving. You won't do anything to jeopardize the relationship or to hurt your partner or to make your partner lose that feeling or get tired of the relationship. So you have to be more concerned and do everything, being committed to making the relationship work. So with those 10 things I've given you guys, I hope you implement it in your relationship. And where any of this is lacking, you should try as much as you can to work on it. And if it is your partner that is making the relationship not to work, you should try as much as you can to communicate with them. So I hope your relationship works out for you both and you be happy in a healthy relationship. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.